So in this video today, we're going to look at converting to degrees. So we're going to take an angle measure and convert it to degrees. So here, convert the following angle measures to degrees. We're given angle measures in radians, and we want to change these into degrees. So we're going to use this relationship where pi radians equals 180 degrees. So wherever we see a pi, we're going to replace it with 180 degrees and see what we get. So we have 6 pi over 4. So let's see if we can simplify this. There's a common factor of 2 between the 6 and the 4. Let's factor that out. So we get 3 pi over 2. And now replace the pi with 180. And what do we get? So 2 is a common factor of 2 and 180. So we have 3 times 90, which is 270 degrees. So pi radians is the same as 180 degrees. That's simple. Then we have 5 pi over 4. Good. 4. The common factor 180. Good. So we have 225 degrees. And let's have a look at 2 pi over 3. Okay, I think we've done this one above. No, we haven't. All right, so we have 3 goes into 180 60 times, and 2 times 60 is 120 degrees. Okay, and 2 pi, 2 times 180, yeah, 360 degrees. And lastly, 11 times our 180 divided by 4. 11 times 45, that's a big number, 495 degrees. That brings us to the end of our video today. If you have any questions, give us a shout at info@raisemymarks.com or give us a call. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you for watching.